What up, guys? This is Pastor Cano again. We're coming up with another tutorial in JavaScript, and tonight we're going to be talking about ternary operator. Uh, why is ternary? The reason why it's called ternary because it uses three different values. It has a condition as a first value. It has expression if it is true. It has another expression if it is false. Okay, and also it uses that a special operator right here. And let's see an example. Let's do the keyword let and variable name. We're going to do price right here equals to 20, and then semicolon, and then we just do let total equals to price is going to be greater than 20, I mean than 10, and then we're going to do question mark, and then the expression right here, price greater than 10, we're going to say yes, and then column, and then we say no, and then we finish with the semicolon, and then we do show message, and then we just do total. Okay, so right here is going to give us, let's save that. Let's see our logic. Price is set to 20, right? This is a shortcut for if-else statements, right? Instead of using if-else statement, we're using ternary operator right here. So price is set to 20. Okay, price, let's say 20 greater than 10. Yes, so it should give us a yes. Let's see. Yeah, it gave us a yes. Now let's change this value. Let's just do less. Price less than 10. No, price is 20. It's no less than 20 than 10. So let's save that, and it should give us a no. Cool. Yeah, that worked. This is how it works ternary operator. So let's just do another one with user input. Let's just do user input equals to the prompt method, and we're going to ask a question: how old are you? Just simple, the basic question, basic. And then we're going to change right here to answer, and then we're going to do right here user input, and let's change these values. So let's just do 25, and let's change right here. If this is true, we're going to say you are too young, and the answer is false. We're going to say you are too old for this. You are too old for this. Oh man. Okay, cool. And then we're going to pass right here the answer, and then let's save it. Okay, how old are you? So if the user enters 25, or let's just do equal right here. Okay, let's save that. If the user enters less than 25, it's going to say you're too young. Man, I can't even know how to spell. Save that. And also it's going to say if you enter 25, it's going to say too young, but if you enter bigger than 25, 45, it's going to say you're too old for this. Okay, let's see. So how old are you? I will say 15. You are too young. Okay, let's do another one. Let's just do 25. It's still saying you are too young. Let's just do 35 or 45. You are too old for this. See, this is how it works with ternary operators. Simplifies if-else statements for this type of situations. All right, guys, thank you for checking the video. Hopefully this helped you, and if you don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We're growing slowly but steady. All right, have a good night, and I'll see you next video. Bye.